Hi, this is the installation instructions on the pressure switch for the Nitebeam models 500 or 900. So here we have a flashlight and here's the pressure switch. This is a very simple operation. Just remove the tail cap from the flashlight, like so, and simply replace it with the pressure switch. Twist it back on. Now your pressure switch is installed, and your flashlight, when you press on the pressure switch, the flashlight will work. So you can go through, you can actually click through your modes using the pressure switch. And then of course you can mount this on your rifle or pistol or anything else you want to mount it on. You've got full operation with the pressure switch. And that's how you install the pressure switch on the models 500 or 900 flashlights.